So, yo, what's happening, guys? My name is Durgesh. So, welcome to Durgesh Cooking Channel. So, I mean, it's like in this channel, I mean, it's like going to make basic food which only I can make. But actually, today I'm making a complicated one. I have made I made a basic one actually, but my mother deleted it by mistake. I don't know why she deleted it. So actually I had made pani puri. Okay, my mother deleted the video by mistake. I don't know why. Okay. Hmm. So so guys, now my grandfather has gone to put garbage. After that, we are going to cut all the vegetables, and after that I'll meet you till then. Bye bye. So guys, the things what we have to cut for making this bisibele bath. I didn't tell you what I'm making. Actually, we are making bisibele bath in earlier, but I am making so it will be like a bit difficult. So we need two big onions and 6 tomato which we have to remove, and after that 4 what it is nol khol. This is called as nol khol. 4 nol khol we need, and after that 250-gram beans, and after that fresh green peas. Where's green peas? And after that green peas my grandfather will remove afterwards. And after that 4 carrot. We need 4 carrot, and that's it. Only this much vegetables we need. Okay, and one thing, we have to cut all in medium size, because we have to cut in medium size because while eating we need to get that in our mouth. So we need to cut in medium size, and we need to put in water like to clean it. Okay, so after that I meet you guys. Bye bye. So guys, now we are cleaning everything, and we have put song there. So that much I'm not recording. So what all we are cut all those and curry patta, curry leaves have added extra, and then we have kept over here rice for boiling.
I am going to put dal also, tur dal.
And we are going to put tur dal also. So now what all we have cut the beans, peas and all. We are put in water. We are washing it, and after that we will put in this, and after that I am going to make it.
And
So
how
till
much
then
is
bye.
rice?
And
Same
then
quantity is we have to put tur dal.
huh?
The quantity of rice and tur dal will be equal.
The quantity of rice and the tur dal will be same. If you are putting 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of tur dal, 1.5 cup of rice, 1.5 cup of tur dal. It is like that. So now music is playing. So bye. So guys, after we washed it, we have put all the vegetables in this, and after that we have put how much this, Mama?
Huh?
How much of the
And salt as per taste.
we have to put turmeric one spoon, and salt we have to put swad anusar. Swad anusar salt.
As per taste.
As per taste, salt you have to put. So we like more salt, so we have put more salt. It is like that.
Oh really? You like more salt?
Yes.
So excess.
In the marriage when we go, but the salt they're putting, no. I was eating only the salt when I was small, but now I'm not eating.
I was eating salt and I was coming back home.
So guys, now we have to tur dal, like it's 1 cup tur dal. Now we have took it, and now we will wash it and we'll wash it and we'll put it in this.
Yeah.
Vida. Da. How much?
1 spoon chili powder.
1 spoon chili powder. So now after it is getting boiled, we have to leave it for 2 to 3 whistles. After that, we have to do something which I don't know. So till then, bye bye. So next step is, in a frying pan we have to put 100 ml of ghee on
And
that,
mustard seed.
and mustard seed. How much?
Huh?
Mustard seed. 1 spoon mustard seed, and after that cashew we have to put
100 gram cashew.
100 gram cashew.
After mustard seed splutters, we have to put the cashew.
After the mustard seed splutters, we have to put the cashew nut.
100 gram cashew nut.
100 gram cashew nut. Oil में छीटा मी तो come back.
Huh?
Oil में छीटा मी तो come back.
Oil में छीटा मी.
Oil में all the vegetables, onion, which were cut medium size, and then after that tomato and capsicum. Tomato, onion, capsicum. In the last we have to keep it because we have to fry it. Tomato, onion, and capsicum we have to keep it because in the last we have to fry. So we have to fry the onion till it becomes brownish color. We have to be frying the golden brown or brownish color, whatever.
Light brown.
Light brown. We have to be frying it. On the light so that you can see it properly. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it, but I'm scared of them because I had order, so I have to do. So I'm going to see pretty sweet brownish color. So I'm going to see later. I have to fry the onion, the capsicum. We have to be frying it. So you are able to see it has become a little brownish color. So after that we have to put what? So guys, I was telling everyone that I am going to make bisibelebath. I am going to make bisibelebath, but I didn't make it because I'm scared. So next time I will make it. So guys, now I am frying it.
Show your face. Show your face. Show your face.
First time I'm doing that cooking work. I am getting scared.
Show your cobra.
So now the onion it has become like brownish color. So guys, now I am going to fry it, but first my mother is putting everything.
After frying onion, we have to put tomato and capsicum.
Tomato and capsicum you have to put. How much were cutted? How much were cut?
उसका दवाई भी ले लो.
So guys, now
Speak.
So guys, now I am frying these thingies. Hold it like this vertically. Don't hold it. So guys, now I am frying it. That's the bottom of the so now we put So guys, now it is ready. So now my mother has gave me with hot bisibale bath and ghee, with pure cow ghee. So now it is ready. So I will taste a spoon and I will tell you. It is super, guys, super taste. So thank you for watching the video. So if you like the video, like, share and subscribe and on the notification bell for getting notification of new videos. So this is your boy Durgesh signing out for the day. So till then, thank you. Bye bye.